Purim, Levi, Forda, Chabad. We're here at the JCC. We are going to read the Megillah. We want to wish everybody a happy Purim, Chag Sameach, and enjoy.
We are in the Jewish Community Center, and we just opened a new Tzofim, Shevet Barak. And now we just opened 7th grade, so whoever wants to join.
It's so fun, you'll love it.
We just finished the Purim Imagination show. It's my third performance of the day. Happy Purim, everybody. Purim Sameach. We're here at JCAD. It's an awesome theater. And Toratron is a Jewish educational theater that brings vibrant, fun, engaging, and educational shows for kiddos, still 120 to your communities, to your synagogues, to your schools. And the promise of the show is that my partner, Harry, just forgot to come. So we have to use our Purim Imagination show. Pay attention, not pure imagination show, our Purim Imagination show. It's a fun show with tons of audience participation. We have lots and lots of things. We just finished the show. You can see it's a little bit of a mess now, but it's fun. I am Evelyn Goldfinger with Toratron Jewish Educational Theater. Chag Sameach!